Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to order for an iPhone 13 Pro Max and an iPhone 14 on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And eventually, we were able to place the order for the phone. And I'm here to explain everything about what actually happened and how we get the phone right here in Nigeria without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay your supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business. So with that being said, let's dive in. So like I said in the beginning of this video, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp to place order for them about an iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go to my profile so you can see the product. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the transit icon right here. And then you find out the product right here. So I'm good. These are the current products I'm buying for people right now. So these are the two phones right here, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, the white color, and iPhone 14 Pro Max 14 Pro Max black color. And now in the review part, so I'm going to go ahead and click on here, then trace the product right here. So this is the phone right here. So this is the phone, the white one, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, so I'm going to click on the phone link. So you can see this is the sales page of this particular seller right here, and this is the product picture, and this is exactly the one we buy from this particular store right here. Actually, we bought about 2 different iPhones from this particular store. So this is the product right here, and then that is for the white color, and then this is the black color right here. So I'm going to click on the product link, and then this is the black color. These are the 2 phones we actually order from this particular store. And I access from my Pinduoduo right here, and I'll take you to my WhatsApp. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here, so you can see. So this is here in my WhatsApp right here. First thing first, this is the customer that holds this phone. So I'm going to open up my chat with the customer right here. So this is my chat with the customer right here. Hi sir, how work? Please, I want to make payment on my Pinduoduo app with my GT bank card, but the payment is not supported. Can you try to make the payment? Thank you. I'm waiting your response. So this is when the owner of the 2 iPhone contacted me, and you can see my chat with them. And this is where they send the shipping address. You can see their shipping address right here. This is where they send their name and their phone number for the purchase right here. And then this is the logistic company WhatsApp contact. So you can see my chat with the owner of the phone, and this is the time that we are trying working on the link, and then the quotation and the payment on Alipay, just like everything right here. Now let's go ahead and check on the logistics update as far as the phone is concerned. So everything here happened on my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to open up the logistic message. So this is the logistic company right here. So when I reach out to them, and then I send this is the product picture that was sent to me by the supplier from Pinduoduo, and I decided to reach out with the shipping company with the tracking number and everything and the product picture. So finally, they were able to receive the phone right here, just like what you see right here. So you can see the phone right here. So this is the black color, and this is the white color of iPhone 13. I think iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. So you can see the phone. You can see 2 phones. This is your goods gift, right? I say yes. So just like so. So they just confirmed the phone at this point right here. So finally, the phone is arrived in Nigeria right now. So let me go ahead and go back to the customer contact right here, the owner of the phone in my WhatsApp contacts right here. So so recently this morning I received this message from this particular owner of the phone that A915 goods. So you can see the content of the message. A915, good news. Your one phone package from Cargo Express is ready for pickup. You have to pay sum of 22,000 naira and the pickup address, account to pay for the pickup, and the pickup message as far as demurrage and delay in pickup is concerned. It's that simple. So let's go back right here. This is this is what I received from the owner of the phone right now this morning. That good morning, sir, and they sended me this message this morning. Then I expected the coming of another package. So this is just to tell you that the phone is successfully. This is just to tell you that the phone has been successfully arrived here in Nigeria. The next video about this is going to be the phone unboxing. And currently now, this same person here, we are still working on another phone right from Shenyun. You can see the chart and the customer video, product video and everything right from Shenyun right here in the WhatsApp DM of this particular customer right here. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on Pinduoduo 688 Taoba, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to procure a link on any of the Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.